These are questions that we're expecting the FCT administration to answer and tell the entire world the truth of what's going on, what's really going on. Trademore Estate, we emphasize, is not illegal. Trademore Estate is financed by federal government of Nigeria. Part of Trademore Estate was commissioned by the federal government of Nigeria. Where is the illegality? That is the question we dare ask the government. Trademore Estate is not a disaster zone.
Yes.
Yes. Rather, what we have is a leadership disaster in FCTA. Who are too shy to think, who are unable to carry out their primary responsibilities. The person who declared this estate a disaster zone is the permanent secretary of FCTA.